I'm Nora from Nora's Kitchen 10B. We've been in the market for nearly 5 years now. We serve authentic Malaysian food, and today I'm going to show you our new product, a range of curry paste to help you to prepare delicious curry in your own kitchen. So the first curry that I'm going to show you today is Rendang curry. So how it tastes like is very coconutty. Again, this is the medium, so a little bit of spice to it, but if you don't like spice, you can always, tell me. I don't have to put a lot of spice. It's a little bit coconutty and it's very tasty, so you have to try it yourself. How to use my curry paste, it's all you got to do is you need 1 jar of Nora's curry paste, and then you need a coconut milk and roasted coconut and salt. That's it really. You don't need to put oil or chopping any onions or any of the ingredients because it's all in here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to cook just for one person. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this jar serves for 4, so I'm going to show you how to cook for just one person first. So no oiling, straight into the saucepan. Mix it well. I usually marinate the chicken. There are 3 condiments in there, which is turmeric powder, and then cumin, and then coriander powder. So mix it all together, and then lemon juice, and then if you marinate this for overnight, even better. So it's simmering now, so what you do is straighten the chicken into the curry paste. And then mix it well. In Malaysia there are 2 types of rendang curry. One is very dry type, and another one is a bit saucy, like people love a little bit of more sauce in this country, but in Malaysia or Indonesia, in Brunei, we usually serve with very dry type of rendang. So if you like more sauce, then just add bit by bit of water. Mix it well. So if you don't have a roasted coconut, so you can buy from me, or I'll teach you the next tutorial how to make roasted coconut. This is one of the ingredients for the curry paste. I did not mix into the curry paste because I want the curry paste to be really natural and authentic. I'm going to be adding roasted coconut, just 1 teaspoon, and then the coconut milk, 1, 2, 3. If you don't like coconut milk, if you have a problem with your stomach, allergen, whatever, you don't have to put coconut at all. So you just put bit by bit of water. I usually use Sainsbury's chicken stock, and this is gluten free, and basically it's optional, you don't have to. Otherwise just put a salt and then mix it well, and your curry will be done in 10 minutes. So I'm going to put the lid on and then let it cook for 10 minutes and we're done. It's very easy. So there we are. Nora's rendang curry is ready to serve, and I'm just going to garnish that to chili, because we love chilies. What I do is, this is fresh lime, coffee lime leaves, so I'm just going to chop it up for garnishing. And then that's it. There we are, you have it.